Let me show you on how you can easily handle documents in SAP that are actually stored and managed on the Nuxeo side. First of all, we open an SAP business object. We take an invoice today, and we want to choose here from 2020 an invoice. Now in this invoice, you have the so-called services for object up here, and we take this option, which is available for all SAP business objects. And we see here that we can check the attachment list. Now the attachment list is empty. In this case, let's create a new attachment. We store and save a business document, which is the archive link option. We support also others. In this case, we choose the document type, invoice to Nuxeo, and we drag and drop a document here to the SAP GUI. And that's it. So you stored now in the background already a document to Nuxeo. You can have a description. And we are done. We can choose, of course, additional documents, but now let's simply go back and check, here is my new created document, it's attached, and we can have here some information about the content or the document, and we of course can also display the document. Again, this is completely done with the SAP standard tools, and we see our document that we stored right now. Do have some options. Let's check here, for example, the Note option. So I can say here something and can save this information. SAP does automatically a timestamp to this one, so we can check when you do this expand option. You see also that we have some information in additionally stored to this document, and this is also available in Nuxeo. Now that's it on the SAP side. I think straightforward on how to store and display content. Now let's have a look to the Nuxeo side. So in Nuxeo we have different options to have a look to this document. Of course, we see this immediately because we stored it right now, but let's browse a little bit so we can see the differences. We have here in our SAP documents this test document that we stored right now. So we have the name available, and this is a folder, and in the folder there are the two components, actually the PDF and the note that we stored with this document. So here is our document. As you have seen, we have all file information, for example, available, or we have SAP information available, which we replicated from SAP to Nuxeo. Now we can also search for this content. So let's keep here the invoice number, and we go to the search site. Now many information here, and obviously we can search for the SAP related information like the invoice number. We immediately get the hit to our new two documents. So we have seen that we have this kind of information already. We can store literally any kind of SAP information here if you ask us, but it doesn't make sense to have a second SAP system. So wouldn't it be better to have the chance to jump from this document directly back to the SAP business object? And this can be done here. So we open here the SAP business object. So in this case, this is our invoice automatically for you. And you can go and nail down here to each detail that you need on the SAP side.